Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. I can presentation my channel, the videos, the social work and social network and social work, social welfare and social how to guideline, and there's the truck accident attorney in presentation my videos and guidelines. I am not able to provide this specific information about the individual attorneys or lawyer firms because my knowledge is listed to warrant was the able up until the September 2021 to 2023 to 4 and etc. And I don't have the access to real-time data or the internet to look up contain information, the current information. If you have looking for a truck accident attorney in the there are K104 or any other specific location, hard the some general step you can following to find the suitable attorney. The number one, ask for a recommendation. Number one, ask for a recommendation. You can sort by asking friends, family members, or colleagues. You can start by asking friends, families, members, or colleagues if they have any recommendation for truck accident attorney in the or the personal reference can be value. Online search. Use the search engine as a legal description for find attorney in the there are K104 are wheel specific in truck accident car case. You can use the keywords like truck accident attorney to narrow down a search. The consular with is a local bar association truck and the local bar and association or state bar the section for least attorney who is specific in personal injuries or truck accident case. They can provide you the with reference. Number 4, rate reviews and check returns. One, have the list the potential attorneys or read online reviews and check their rating on website like Abo, Google reviews, or the main details and Hubble. Their platform can provide instruction into the experience of the patent client. The schedule consular after narrowing down your listed schedule consular with a few attorneys on this case your case during their consular as about their experience feel and who they all reference your case. The verification candidates, the verified candidates ensure that the attorney you choose is a licensed to practical law in your short start and the good standing with the state bar association. You can traffically verify this information on the state bar association his website. Ask about the experience. Inquiry about attorney experience with his truck accident cases specialist. Experience in handle similar case can be setting and advance. Discussion phrase. The understanding that attorney free structure and whether they work on congestion continuation the free base when they only get paid if you win your case. Discard the information in personal injury case. Number 9. Evaluation communication. Pay attention to how the attorney communicated with you during the consultation will want to work with the someone who is responsibility and attractive to your needed. The trust your instruction. Ultimately, choose any attorney you feel comfortable working with and track response if you interest and effective. Remember that the insured expertise when the sucking legal responsibility after truck accident as the many be details for feelings claims. Always consult that attorney is the personalized advice, the regulars and this system. The provide specific information individual attorney or law firms because my knowledge and limit to what is the ability and until this is the any years 2021 2 3 and 2021 September it don't have access in real time data or thus including took up and carrying information if you have looking for truck accident and there are any other this specific location here some generate step can follow to find step this. The action recommendation you can start by asking friends, family members or colleagues then or recommend by truck accident what was in this the potential reference can be as valuable. On search engine the legal declaration find the attorney and who specific truck accident car cases you can knowledge and truck accident attorney nor near or down in your search the consular the local bar association contact the local bar association state in as the list and attorney the specific and this injured at the truck accident and providing the rate reviews and check the rating you want the list potential attorney online reviews and check this platform. The friends thank you very much use the trusted and injuries the unlimited choose attorney feel compared is this insurance the remember that insurance potential is speaking legal. Thank you, best of luck.